Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I'm just Preetha Galsi, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your Cellulite facial at home. And for this, all you'll need is Oxyglow Diamond Facial Bleach and Oxyglow Diamond Facial Kit. Tie your hair so that you can do the application easily. So first of all, I'm going to bleach my face. So in this pack, you get the bleach cream powder, a tray, the applicator, the leaflet. The MRP is 290 rupees and the net weight is 240 grams. Scoop out 2 spatulas of cream bleach onto the tray and tap off 2 pinches of powder activator on this cream. With the help of the given spatula, mix the cream bleach and the powder activator for 2 whole minutes till the powder completely dissolved in the cream, and then apply this mixture. Allow application to remain for 15 minutes only, then wash off with tap water. This removes suntan and also makes your complexion glow. Now it's time for the facial. This diamond facial kit consists of 6 steps: cleansing milk, scrub, massage cream, face pack, moisturizer and serum. Step number 1, diamond cleansing milk. Apply onto face and neck and massage in soft circular strokes for a minute. Oxyglow cleansing milk sinks deep into the pores and acts on the dirt and pollutants. Mixed fruit extract nourish and moisturize the skin while cleaning it. Glycerine restores the natural beauty of the skin. Diamond powder efficiently polishes the skin, stimulating new cell production. The products also have abundance of aloe vera extracts and almond oil. The MRP of this diamond facial kit is 1095 rupees and the net weight of each tub is 30 grams. Now remove the cleansing milk with a moist cotton. Step number 2, diamond scrub. Moisten face and neck. Spread scrub in form of dots all over face and massage in circular motion, both clockwise and anti-clockwise, for 2 to 4 minutes. This scrub is composed of walnut shell powder and apricot kernel oil. It cleans the skin pores while gently exfoliating dead skin and blackheads, leaving it youthful and luminous. It's totally your choice whether you want to steam or not. Rinse with normal water and pat dry gently. Step number 3, diamond massage cream. Apply the massage cream and massage onto face and neck. Wet fingers during the massage to facilitate movements. Diamond massage cream is an amazing way to pamper your skin. Ideal for all skin types, this massage cream has abundance of diamond powder that goes deep into the skin and treats the dead cells. This also hydrates and maintains moisture balance in the skin. Orange fruit extract is an anti-aging agent that helps in healing the skin. Massage takes away the stress, helps in tighten the skin and also improves blood circulation. Continue for 15 minutes and then rinse off carefully to discover a visibly dazzling complexion. Step number 4, diamond face pack. Apply evenly onto face and neck. Diamond face pack is a quick way to get a glimmering complexion. Natural almond oil content settles deep into the layers and moisturizes it. Vegetable glycerine feeds skin with essential vitamins and nutrients, leaving it glowing as well as healthy. Allow it to dry. Rinse carefully, avoiding ice. Step number 5, diamond moisturizer. Apply on a perfectly cleansed face at least twice a day. A superb nourishing formula, this moisturizer is blessed with the goodness of glycerine. Vitamin E contents sinks deep into the skin and polishes it. Bearberry extract provides extra fairness to the skin, while orange fruit extract, being a strong antioxidant, provides vital nourishment to the skin. Sixth and last step, smooth shine skin serum. Spread 2-4 drops of serum onto face and neck and leave it on. This unique product by Oxyglow gives added moisture and nutrients while penetrating deep into the skin. It prevents dark spots, wrinkles and acne, leading to perfectly hydrated skin with zero stickiness and superb shine. For 24/7 radiant skin, perform complete facial twice a month, and they are so confident about this product that they offer 100% money back guarantee. So this is a kind of one-time investment and this is really gonna last long. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, comment, share, follow me and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.